Westermans here again with a Bode Rotilting 1 ton positioner, variable speed, manual tilt. This machine will either be sold fully serviced or as seen. Fully serviced will come with warranty. This machine is actually, by the look of it, had a new Sprint electrics control box fitted, which is variable speed. It is a manual tilt, but variable speed on there. These machines are ideal for doing flange to pipe, and that you will tilt both ways. Single phase machine, 220 volts or 240 volts. Like I say, manual tilt, very straightforward. Can actually be tilted by hand. And like I say, it will actually tilt the other way if needed. More details available from Westermans.com on this and other positioners. Of course, when you've got the weight on the table, it will become heavier. Table's seen better days. Somebody's actually been welding on it. As seen, will be sold like this. Obviously, fully serviced. The table will be cleaned and made good. Also, chucks available if needed. Like I say, more details available on Westermans.com on this 1 ton Bode Rotilting welding positioner. Thank you for looking.